Christopher Mutsvangwa anozikanwa kunzi he is a watermouth. Christopher Mutsvangwa is used in the ruling party ZANU-PF to say whatsoever he wants. Noda kuti anozikanwa kunzi haanyari haanei ari kutaura. Munhu wekuti kana akatanga kutaura nyika yese inonyarara just because they know who he is. Zvanapinda mashoko anobuda nyika panguva ino which is panguva ino he is about to receive aiwa mhazakotera emari after aita ma-interviews pamwe chete nekutaura ma-developments. Last week we saw him attacking VP Chiwenga paissue yezvigananda. Don't you go subscribe or like on the bell icon. President Antoine Taulanyira GT. I am reliably informed that Mutsvangwa is set to receive 800,000 for his recent press remarks in South Africa interview in which he mocked 7 generals, Vice President Chiwenga, retired generals, and war veterans. He was acting on ED's behalf. We are in a critical situation. Doma developments are pangwa ine. Urukono kunzi. Christopher Mutsvangwa, who is also a veteran, he is attacking other veterans. Varukuya vachimira pachokwadi achizama kudefenda what they fought for. Not only veterans, but kurukono kunzi. Mutsvangwa was mocking massive generals. VP Chiwenga, who is the leader of the force against Vision 2013 Cap 3, but retired generals. Nema war veterans or a member of Pangwa Inoi are rewarded. Nauda kuataka all these groups. What developments are Buddha Pangwa Ino just Unukwa Kunzi, Ajinakumira Jakanaka, Pangwa Ino Kuchunukwa Kunzi, these developments, they are now being channeled. But Anyas Ustopa, all my forces are against Cap 3. All my forces are against Gananda. In the comment section, you do able to leave this power grade. So subscribe or like, watching on the bell icon.